Hey everyone, just doing another video. I just purchased a saddlebag on eBay. This one is very similar to the one I have, or it's actually identical to my 2010 CVO Spice Drum Street Glide I have. And I had an issue with my bag falling off a couple years ago, and I had to get one. So I found getting these saddlebags on eBay, even though they do have some scratches and dents, they are something that is worthwhile, and cleaning them up and trying to maybe resell them on eBay again or any other platform. So first what I did was I cleaned it up. It actually came in pretty good condition. Used some McGuire's quick wax briefly on it, and now I switched over to the Chemical Guys butter wax. As you can see, it's pouring a little bit on here, and I've got a buffing pad here, and you just rub it right in. And there's a couple in this. This saddlebag is not perfect, and I know that. And I had an experience with the last one I sold, and actually did pretty well. I ended up getting a new bag that was in perfect shape, but with this one, you can see it's got some other blemishes and whatnot. So I'm going to see how these two polishes do getting some of those blemishes out, as you can see. So I will keep you guys updated. Kind of see it's some blemishes there on the top. So we're going to sink this paste wax into it, or this wax into it here, and see what it can do. So, all right, just give me a minute. I'm going to go through the whole bag and show you guys the end result as we move along. So I used this stuff on my F450, and it came out real nice a couple months ago before the winter time hit. But it should clean this thing up real nice. So is my hope. So, all right, you can see the blemishing here in the top of the lid of this bag. I have not put any of the wax. I did do the McGuire's quick wax first. I'm going to do the Chemical Guys butter wax next. We'll see if that changes that top lid here from what you can see.
What?
Okay, this is starting to come up nice. I'm taking the Chemical Guys butter wax off now with a microfiber. We applied it with a wax application pad, and now we're taking it off. It's quite a difference. I mean, you can see how much nicer. And wait until we do that lid, see where that lid comes in at. But this came shrink wrapped and bubble wrapped to me from eBay. So this thing's really coming up nice. It just needs a little bit of love. And again, there are scratches. This bag looks like the bike was down. Someone dropped it. But still, that doesn't matter. For the price, I got this thing for pennies on the dollar. So, I mean, even the shipping was, to ship this thing in a huge box, and the cost of that on top of what I paid, 100% worth it. So that's really, really coming up nice. As you can see, the paint now really coming up. All right, I'm gonna try to keep, I've got this in the sunlight now out here in our sunroom. So the polish is on there now. We're gonna wipe it up. Alex, right, here we go. All right, let's see that come off now. Look at this difference here. You can see it. Yeah, got the little guy Alexander saying hi to everyone on YouTube today. We got borrowing his train table today. Look at this difference, how that comes up like that. And you guys saw, I showed you just the different, look at how that comes up like that. Beautiful. Just a little bit of love that this thing needs. And anyone can do this. I mean, I have this one set as a save search for these CVO saddlebags. You find them. A lot of people drop their bikes and put them up for sale for pennies on a dollar, and then other people need them, or they need parts off these bags, or just the lids or other parts. And as everyone knows, anything Harley-Davidson is extremely expensive, just like John Deere and whatnot. It's just the way it is. This is coming up beautifully. I'm very, very impressed. Again, this bag is not perfect, but you can make it nice, and that's what I'm trying to do. This is unbelievable how nice this is coming up. Let's get that bottom there. There we go. Look at that. show you everyone too from this end. Look at this. Look how nice this is right here. Okay. Yeah. Okay. All right. Almost done with it. I'll show you. All right. On the inside of the saddlebag, these scratches right here were really, really pronounced, and I buffed them out, or I got them buffed out with that pad with the Chemical Guys wax. That came out nice. And I have not, again, I haven't hit this backside yet with the microfiber, but I'm very impressed with how this is coming out. Unbelievable. There we go. Let's see how that buffs out here. Yeah, not bad. What a difference. What a difference. All right. I've got some help from my beautiful wife, Elizabeth, doing some camera holding for me. We are in the sunniest room of our house, the sunroom. It is a mess. I do apologize. We have toddlers. But as you can see, the sun's kind of hit at the right angle here. This really, really came up nice. And I showed you the difference there in the earlier in the video. I mean, this thing looks beautiful. Came up gorgeous. And just those two waxes. I did the McGuire spray wax, quick wax first, and then I did the Chemical Guys butter wax, which is this guy right here. Did that guy second, and it came out beautiful. I mean, even the lid, I showed you guys the lid originally. If you look at this lid, you kind of see it in the sun there. That came out really nice. So, and again, like I said, this bag is not perfect, but we can make it nice and, you know, make it look presentable and decent. It does have scratches, and again, for what I look at the inside of this, look what this did with these scratches here. These scratches were much more pronounced, and this is the inside. No one's going to see that part anyway, but you can see it's just unbelievable. Came out beautiful. So I highly recommend giving that a shot on whatever vehicle, motorcycle, camper, truck, semi, whatever you have. Give it a shot. I really liked it. It came out nice. Again, I'm sure there's other waxes out there really good. I just happen to like these guys. They do a really great job, and it came out beautiful. Just simple as just doing an application pad first, and then a nice, and then a microfiber. Just wipe it down afterwards. So, again, if you like what you guys are seeing on the channel, I do a lot of stuff with tractors, motorcycles. I've done one cooking video the other day just to bring something different. I enjoy doing some waxing stuff too and whatnot, but there's going to be a lot of Harley stuff, motorcycles. That's the stuff I'm kind of into that we're trying to bring to the channel. If you like what you're seeing, just give us a subscribe. Always appreciate the comments as well, and we try to get back to everyone that comments, and we're trying to grow the channel. We've went in about 3 to 4 weeks. We went from 13 subscribers, which I had from years and years ago, and I started doing more videos we're up to 66 now. So not breaking the bank, but we're getting there. I'm trying to hit 100. So we're getting there. If you guys know any of your friends that might enjoy it, if you could just share the channel, I'd appreciate it. We'll see where we can get in the next couple of weeks or a month. Maybe we'll be over 100. And I appreciate everything and what you guys are watching. So again, thank you again, and have a good day.